Whether you shower twice daily or have joined the no poo movement, everyone needs travel-size bottles for any trip longer than a day or two. However, there are different designs to choose from and even more brands to dive into. Afterward, finding the perfect travel-size bottles can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best travel-size bottles trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. humangear Go Tub. The Go Tub from humangear, the same company that brought you the Go Tub Plus, can be used for everything from thick lotions to snacks for the plane. The design resembles a contact case, but the materials are durable enough to last years. There are 3 sizes to choose from at the time of posting: small, medium, and large, and 5 color combinations. Whether you want to organize your medication, bring along a liquid too dense for a standard set of travel-sized bottles, or want a way to bring delicate snacks on the plane, the humangear Go Tub has you covered. The tubs are BPA-free, PC-free, and phthalate-free. Plus, they're FDA food safe, so you can also eat out of them. The top screws on and is easy to remove when you're ready to access whatever you've got stowed inside. The hard plastic exterior is easier to break than silicone, especially if heavy gear is loaded inside your day pack. However, we haven't had any issues with these travel containers breaking. Even if you aren't sure what you'll stow inside, the Go Tub almost always comes in handy once on a trip. Number 2. humangear Go Tub Plus. Here at Pack Hacker, we've had Go Tub containers on the mind for years. Starting with the original model and moving our way up to the Go Tub Plus a while back, we've had our fair share of experience with these travel-sized bottles. With a range of sizes available, these are the perfect size for getting you through airport security and short to moderate-length trips. They're crafted from food-grade silicone, utilize a loop lock system to ensure your toiletries don't leak, and include a labeling system so you can figure out what's inside quickly. The caps are somewhat fragile, but if you aren't rough with them, they'll last a long time. Whether you're stowing shampoo, conditioner, body wash, or your mom's homemade mayonnaise, these travel containers will do the job. After all, do they even have mayonnaise in Antarctica? Number 3. KITSCH Travel Bottles for Toiletries 11 PC Set. First thing first, if you think 11 pieces is a bit much, then the good news is that this toiletry bottle set is actually 8 pieces with 3 tools. With that out of the way, let's talk about this kit's mightily impressive variety. Main storage comes in the form of 3 flat pouch bottles, which are collapsible alternatives to rigid bottles. These save a ton of space since, as you use more of your toiletries, they can compress and get correspondingly smaller, completely flat once empty. In fact, our only nitpick is that their caps are a bit tight and hard to open. Even when we've purposefully not closed them too tight. 2 spray bottles are also included for your perfumes and rubbing alcohol, plus a pump-type bottle for lotion or hand sanitizer. That said, we would have preferred simpler canisters, such as bigger versions of the 2 small ones already included. They're great for ointments and creams, so bigger ones for medication may be more practical than spray bottles. Number 4. Matador Flat Pack Toiletry Bottle. When some folks pack for a trip, keeping their pack size and weight down is one of the most important things. If you fit into that category, the Matador Flat Pack Toiletry Bottle is one of the best travel containers on the market. It doesn't feel as strong as the silicone options on this list, but the Cordura nylon construction isn't anything to scoff at. A traditional set of travel-sized bottles is the same size when it's empty as when it's full. The flat pack toiletry bottle gets smaller and lighter as you use it, so your toiletry bag will be lighter and easier to pack as the trip goes on. The flexible form makes packing more straightforward than its bulky silicone competitors, even when fully loaded. If you're going on a rugged backpacking journey, you might opt for something heavier, as one of the containers we tested developed small holes near the cap with enough wear and tear. However, if you are staying in a hotel or Airbnb, and take care when grabbing and replacing it before and after using it, this is one of the best travel containers for toiletries out there. Number 5. Gravel Soft 3-ounce liquid bottles. If you like everything to slot together perfectly inside your pack, from your travel-size bottles to your packing cubes, look no further than the Gravel Soft 3-ounce liquid bottles. They're designed to fit together like a puzzle to make packing more manageable, and you can stack groupings of 2 like Legos. The harsh angles inside can be challenging to clean, but that's par for the course as far as travel containers are concerned. These travel-size containers are crafted from silicone, and the lids are made of hard plastic. There are 2 colorways to choose from. However, there's speckled clear and speckled gray, which aren't that unique. The lid is 2 pieces, the washer and the cap, which creates a tight fit, so your toiletries don't leak and squeeze out evenly. These work well if you need an even number of travel containers for liquids. However, they don't come in singles at the time of posting, so you may have an extra if you only need 3 bottles. You might as well load up on aioli while you're in France with the extra one. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.